Recording.
Yep.
Let me start. The first things is I want to invite Edward and Nabil introduce their design first. After that, we can discuss that. But I think we have previewed the whole design, so yeah. Let me review the design first. Edward,
Yeah.
could you?
So
Yes.
yeah. So let me talk about the design process first, and then I will show you guys the design work later.
Yes.
So during the Easter mid-break, Nabil and I kept working on the design part of the project. And with Joe, he provided his professional advice on design. So
Thank you.
and so Nabil, as an active team member in this design process, he was responsible for searching essential elements and the templates to support the design. And he also made the design for the first page. And after that, I polished his design and then continued work, finished the following two interface design and design for the user menu as well. So that's the design version 5. And then Joe, as our tech leader, gave me very professional suggestions on design in terms of the overall layout and the color to keep consistent with the original Climate Future website. So according to his advice, then I modified the design version 5 and produced the version 6 as I had posted in the Discord design channel. As you guys can see, the dark theme one. So next, let me show you guys the design work.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Share screen.
Yeah, I see.
So could you guys see the design?
Yep.
Yep. So let's have a look at the design work. So actually, this design follows the layout and functions as the design version 4, which we have put in our last planning report. Based on this based on the style of this version, we made the current version of design work. So as you can see, this is the first page, the map function, and this is the time and variable selection functions, the second one. And the third one, the download page with extract format functions and selected variables and time. And the last one is the page for the user menu. So actually, I hope this the latest design will conform to Thomas' requirements. And if you guys have any advice on the current design, just let me know and I can make very quick modifications. Then send it to Thomas and let's see if he would like it or not. And then we can continue our work on application development. And just one issue to be mentioned that is that the logo here in my design was made by myself. As you can see, that's the original logo with a very low
contrast.
fidelity. Yeah, fidelity. So I made the text by myself. So Kim, could you please ask Thomas for a high fidelity logo of the
Sure.
Climate Futures?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also I have put this question in the interview essential question document already. So just have a look.
Yeah.
And lastly, if the design is approved by Thomas, then Nabil and I will be responsible for the first part of the report. That's the design part. Yeah, we will work together to get a satisfied result. And that's all.
Okay.
I have a question is about the first page.
Yeah.
I checked that. We have some basic function about a user can choose a point or a square area.
Yep.
That's is two function can,
Yeah, I think that function could be placed here.
I think what we can do is put it. If you go to the variables and time part,
yeah,
we've got these orange boxes at the top. I think we can do that on the map one to have the point selection, square selection and stuff.
Yeah, so you mean
we'll put some orange boxes up in the map one. Yeah, same kind of design.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they'll have buttons there like select rectangle and stuff like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's easy to put in.
Yeah.
Got it.
But I'm happy with these designs. I think they look good.
Yeah, I think so.
I started developing just a little bit yesterday.
Yeah, send to me. Yeah.
Send it to you.
Yeah, so like I just do the quick build. So for the user menu page.
Yep.
And I can show you what I got now. So
sure.
This one. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
You make it yet?
Yep. And it's like the function is nearly done, but like two problems for the layouts. So like basically it looks fine in the whole page view, but if you just stretch it sometimes just like get squeezed.
Oh yeah.
Yep. So I will solve it quick. Yeah. And like basically I think we need to store the user menu in the like the Netcar, right? The Netcar cloud.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. So yeah, it'll be fine. Yeah.
Yep.
So like this is the basic view. So I will send like push it to the Git Kraken.
Yep.
Yeah. After this, yeah.
Have you done anything for the data portal?
You mean the JSP code or?
No, just like so this is the user manual. Have you done the other part, the data portal at all?
No, not yet. Yeah.
Okay. That's alright.
Yep.
Yep. I'll message you after the meeting to talk about the programming.
Yep.
Yes. So I think the loan is based on the Edward design to make some user menu page. That's amazing, I think. One thing is whether we have this 4-page, but I think the page framework is very similar, and in my view, just design just a few widget is different. Long, I just once asked question is about whether you can make a
pattern.
Sure. Template, something like that. And do you have some question to make someone that is you feel that is a difficult part?
Sorry. So you mean the like some difficult function or something?
No, just based on our interface, not the actual function.
So interface.
Yes, interface.
So like the as I said, so now just two things confuse me. Like one is for the stretch thing, So like sometimes it gets squeezed. And one is like for the so our user may use different kind of the monitor, right? The
Yeah.
different resolution. So we need to like make our page to like layout to fit each types of the monitor. Like if you use the 1080 the monitor, so sometimes it gets like strange if you
Yeah.
change different resolution. Yeah.
Okay,
So this is the two main problem, I think. Yeah.
that's okay. We'll fix that.
Just try to fix that, because if you finish one, I think other rest of the work can be on your user manual page. That's well easy for another part,
Yeah.
So I just worry about that. Thank you. Thank you. You do first.
Thank you for
And,
mentioning that. Yeah.
Yes. So anything else? Others have some feedback on Edward's design, or have something question? If no, I will discuss another things.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first things is, could you see the
Yep.
picture?
Mhm.
Yeah.
The picture is our schedule. Event and the bill is designed for the week 7. This week we will focus on the interface, our interface. So the first page, second, third, and the user menu will have done in this week. So I hopefully the long you can make the first page, you have done halfway. So this week we will focus on our interface, and I'm not sure whether we can complete it. So we can decide. And Edward and Nabil, maybe you two can follow the planning schedule to try to drive our design part of the report
Yep.
about AJ1, because you have done your design. But one thing I worry is that Kim, maybe you should send our design version 5 to Thomas to get the feedback.
Version 6.
Version 6? Oh, is that okay?
Yep.
Version 6 to the Thomas to get feedback whether he like our design, because I think nothing is big change in the version 6 and the version 4 or version 3. Just follow Thomas' feedback, add some small elements to our design. So I don't think he will ask or change something, but that's our project. We need to do that.
Yeah.
So King, thank you for you send that design to Thomas to ask him whether he have some feedback. But one thing I want to remind that is that please leave some message to Thomas, is that if Thomas didn't give us some feedback within 2 or 3 work days, we will direct make the project. We cannot always waiting his feedback. And we have the previous experience is that Thomas didn't give us any feedback by email. So one thing is that I want to discuss is whether we need a client meeting with Thomas to get the feedback. So
Yeah. I'll try to contact him via email first.
yeah.
It's just
That's
a
right.
protocol. Yeah. Actually, like 2 weeks ago, I actually sent him a copy of our fourth design, and he didn't get back as well, like
Yeah.
you said. yeah, you get it right. He never get back to us. Yeah. So yeah, if he doesn't get back to us by email again in like 2 or 3 days, we'll have to have a meeting with him so he will get our attention.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
just say that if he didn't give us feedback within few days, we must mention that we will direct make our project.
Yeah.
Yes,
Sure. Yeah.
yeah,
Got you.
that's protect what in case Thomas didn't give us any feedback or reply
Yeah.
our email.
Yeah.
Okay. So in this week, just two things is Edward and Nabil started to make the design part of the report. Other guys is start to make our interface of the project.
Yep.
Yeah. So that's all
Yep.
for this week. And you see that?
Mhm.
Edward,
Yep.
could you see the Word document?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have previewed the lecture material.
Yes.
Yeah, the
So
same structure.
yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can based on the PowerPoint of the lecture to
Yep.
make some drafts and try to fill them as much as you can.
Yep.
Because I think the design part of the report is the most important for this report, like the previous report scope part. Yeah.
Yep.
So
Yep.
that's your heavy work. And I tried to draft a workload. I should share that document in the OneDrive AG1 folder. And you can see that is the initial allocate each guys to each part.
Yep.
Nabil, you
Yep.
can Edward will draft the initial design part.
Yep.
And Marisa, you will respond for the introduction.
Yep.
That's okay?
Yep.
Yeah, thank you. And Long, you will follow your development of the project to recording some progress. Yeah. So something is you're done and something is hard part, so we delay that, or something is easy or it's must have, so we have done that ahead. So just recording what we have done in our programming.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
And I will write some tests like technique test and the user text. I think that's the easy part. And King,
Black box thing.
yes,
Yeah.
Yep.
I chose the easy part. And King, could you make some summarize because they didn't just summarize parts because the summarize about what is our design and what is Thomas requirements change and what is about the Thomas feedback of our design.
Yep. Sure.
Yeah, so you can make that part a bit later because you can waiting for the Edward and then Nabil finish their design parts to get the summary.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can do that a little late. And another thing is accept our project. And another thing is we should we need the user menu. The user menu is me, King, and Marisa. We three to make it. So I dropped some structure of the user menu, and that is based on the Edward design. So you can fill it if you want to write down something
Yep.
like that. And that's all, I think.
Yeah, it'd be good to get a head start on the report, so that it doesn't come back later and keep us busy.
Yes.
Yep.
Yep.
So, that's all. I think. Let me review. Okay, I'm finished.
Okay.
I just check my schedule, and something else about Jim.
No input from me. I think just try and get a head start on that report, on the bits that we can do, like
Yeah.
the tests and the design, so that we don't fall behind schedule.
Mhm.
Yep.
Yeah, and I'll talk with Long today about the
Okay.
technical development. Yeah, I think we're doing all right so far.
Sorry.
Are you guys going to talk about it on Discord or on Zoom?
Yes.
Discord at first.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll do it in the technical channel, so everyone can see
Yes.
if they want to.
Let me share another things. We have report schedule. I expanded in the work loading part. You can see the detail what we should do, and maybe that is. You just check that. I just ask to make that progress is better because based on our previous experience, our report. Oh, that's all. You can see that detail in the document.
Yep. Okay. I'll have a look.
Okay. If we have nothing, we just directly do our schedule. That's good.
Cool.
So, Zachary, I just need some feedback. Maybe.
Yeah. Good job on the schedule and the design, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, Edward and Nabil worked
Yes.
really well on this part. Yeah.
Yeah, I see. If nothing, I think we can close that meeting, and welcome to get any feedback and comments in the Discord, because everyone can see that.
Yep.
And Joy is teach us how to use the
Git program.
program. So after that, our project and the resource, I hope everyone can use that application to share our source, because we can see the whole source and use it. And I think that software is better than the OneDrive or Google Drive. So please use that.
Yep.
Yeah.
Perhaps we should write the user manual in Git instead.
Yes.
Yeah. Once we have the user manual pages created, we can do that.
Yes. So so that's the long and Edward. Could you upload your element of the design and your user menu page
Yep.
to upload the get.
Okay, yeah, do it now.
What is the pronunciation about
Git.
that
Git.
software?
Git.
Git.
Yeah.
Git. Yeah.
Git Kraken.
Yep.
Git crap.
Git. Thank you.
It's okay.
Okay. So see you.
Yep. All right.
Yeah.
We'll get
Yep.
on to some technical development. I'll talk to you guys into the Discord.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right then, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Keep up the
Bye.
good work.
Yep.
See you later.
See you then. Bye.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.